Shut up and sit down.
Essay on birds. Birds. Essay for students and children in English. Introduction. Birds are unique creatures that has the ability of flying. If they fly and spread wings in the sky, then an attractive scene is present. In the morning and evening, the earth gets resonated with their killer. The beauty of forest provinces is enhanced by their residents. Everyone is fascinated by their attractive colors. Nature of birds. Birds are very strange. Some black, some green, and some purple. Their body is very light, because of which they can fly easily. Their wings are light and colorful. They have 2 legs and 2 eyes. With the help of the feet, they roam the earth. Some birds fly in the sky at very high altitudes, and some can decide only 2-4 feet of distance. Just as there are many types of variations found in the world, in the bird world also many types of variations are found. But 2 characteristics are the same in all. One can fly, and the other is that all birds lay eggs. Living situation of birds. Birds are deeply attached to nature. They live in forests, nesting in bushes and on trees. Most birds live in the shelter that it creates. Collected the weeds, added the straw, and made a nest. Some birds are very skilled at building a nest. Such birds known as nesting birds. They make it on sight. Some birds do not make a nest and make a shelter in a tree cover. The woodpecker makes holes in the wood. Some large birds, such as peacocks, do not build nests and take refuge in bushes. Voices of birds. The soft tone of some birds attracts us. Cuckoo, papaya, parrot, etc. are all convincing of the melodious sound of birds. There is a great discussion of his voice in literature. He has great praise for the composition of poets, but the dialect of some birds is considered worse. It has also been said that who does the cuckoo give and what does the crow take, but everyone dislikes it because of the ravenous bird of the crow. In this way, the birds want to be free, but some birds are kept domestic by humans. Birds like pigeons, parrots, or roosters can be domesticated. The parrot is ensconced in many houses and can mimic the voice of a man. It is kept in a cage and is known and considered a special symbol of peace. Rooster is very important from a commercial point of view. We obtain eggs and meat from them. Eating habits of birds. Eagle, crow, heron, rooster, etc. are some birds that eat the flesh of dead or living animals. Some birds sit on the bodies of living beings like cows, buffaloes, and eat the parasites present on their bodies. Carnivorous birds fill their stomachs by eating meat, fish, and insects. Their activities keep the balance of the environment on the earth. Many birds are herbivores. Vegetarian birds eat cereal, grains, fruits, legumes, and vegetables. Some birds live in inaccessible places. Penguin is one such bird. It can also survive in icy places in the polar regions. Some birds live in water. Cranes, herons, swans, watercourses, etc. are such birds. They can prey on the water for fishes and other small creatures on earth. National bird of India. Peacock is known as the national bird of our country, India. The wings of the peacock are colorful. It dances gracefully by spreading its wings. Various types of decorative items are made from their wings. It is a very adventurous bird. It defeats snakes in battle. Importance of birds. Keeping the environmental balance in mind, if birds have great significance in human life, flying in the sky, these birds are a very natural means of cleaning the environment. How many animal birds is there that protect the flora useful for human life by eating insect germs and polluted things? Birds like herons, geese, and ducks swim on the water and feed on the fish. A stork is a migratory bird that migrates according to the seasons. Birds also fly in the sky, run on the ground, and also swim on the water. Birds are also the identity of a nation. Same as the national bird of India is a peacock, the kiwi is recognized as the national bird of New Zealand. Some birds are in a particular country. The kiwi bird is found only in New Zealand. Humans have shared borders, but there is no border for birds. Birds can be allowed in any country of the world without permission. This entire world belongs to him. Where a man cuts trees, it is greed. The tree is a habitat for birds, and so it is our responsibility to protect the habitat of birds. Many birds are rare, which are going extinct. Birds are essential for life on earth. Conclusion. Birds are an integral part of our environment, but because of poaching and dwindling forest areas, some birds are in trouble. Some of these are becoming rare.